What?
You get a bug, fool. Don't nauseate and drive, kids.
Manny, what happened, bro?
So, to put it in a nice way, some crackhead ran into my car and he had nothing, no insurance, no registration.
Dude.
By the way, this is my dream car. I had it only since October.
Nah.
This is literally the worst heartbreak ever.
Could you show us a picture of like that you sent us?
How much hard work went into finally getting your dream car?
Took about like 3-4 years working at PQ. Finally got in October, just cruising on lunchtime, and then someone cut the corner.
This is honestly a very unfortunate situation that happened.
See, look, he cut the corner right here, and boom, he ran into me. See the line's right there.
Yeah, he was on the wrong side of the road, so he took the corner on the opposite side. I guess he was in a hurry or something.
Yeah, I don't know.
How fast do you think he hit you when he was going?
About 20, but he was braking when he hit.
Yeah, and you brake too?
Yeah, I bumped on the brake. Boom! I didn't skirt, this did, yeah.
Okay, so the guy didn't have insurance. So what did you do in order to guarantee that the guy wouldn't? Because he said he was gonna pay you for the damage, right?
My boy, you know, he came through, negotiated.
He called me right away, and then, you know, you could tell that the guy was going through a tough situation because he really didn't want us to call the cops and all that. So we gave him the benefit of the doubt. We got some sort of collateral. Meanwhile, he pays us back. But luckily, it is at PQ Performance. And we're gonna start tearing it down, see what's going on under here. As I can already see, bumper, frame damage. I'm assuming that the oil pan got hit, so it drained the oil, meaning it seized the engine, meaning it's a total loss. Out of here, brother.
No.
Hey, let's get a thumbnail before. Looking like satellite. Like that, that's perfect. All right, that's good, that's good. All right, now check up your car. We're just posing for thumbnail.
Yeah, with 2023 GR Corolla, came in for a front end damage. Pretty much all the front end was completely destroyed. As you guys could see, we did equip it with a aftermarket upgraded intercooler, so it's just better for a better performance, better cooling all around. We did place the reinforcement bar along with the absorber, the hood. We replaced this fender actually. Bumper's brand new. So now we have our guy over here, Omar. He's about to pretty much put it all back together. We are in the final stages to completing this job. Right after he assembles the full car, it is gonna go to detail department. We're gonna go ahead and give it a full detail in and out and call a customer and know, yo, your car's ready to go.
What do you guys think of the car? Whose car is this?
Sick. He matched it perfectly.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, what happened?
Hit a car in the front on the freeway, just everything stopped. Couldn't stop in time.
Does it look like how it originally was?
Exactly how it was originally.
Why did you decide to go with this car?
With this car?
Yeah.
Honestly, I just wanted something different. And you don't really see these as much. It's 1 of 1,500. And I don't know, it's just fun. Fun to drive in the canyons, you know? A lot of potential in them as well.
Are you planning to build it up or are you just gonna leave it like that?
I'm planning on building it up.
How fast could they get to?
I mean, there's some that are pushing like 700. It
What?
doesn't sound like a lot.
Yeah. 700 for a Camry?
Yeah, basically that's what I said. Like compared to a BMW, it's not that much, but I mean,
Dude, 700 for a Camry is crazy.
They're crazy in Australia, man.
So we got Marlon right now pulling apart the bumper so we could assess the damages fully.
Comment down below right now if you guys think it's a total loss.
All right, so we're gonna remove all the bolts on the bottom, bro, and that should be coming off.
What have you done to the car so far?
Honestly, haven't done much because I bought it from my friend like that. I like the way he had it and he took care of it. Yeah. So that's why I was so confident into buying this car. Buying an F80 nowadays is kind of difficult because they all crash and mine now is crash. This M3 is also executive. It also has individual paint code. So I'll show you like the original color since it is wrapped in, it's like a sparkly blue. See it? Yeah, that's the original color. And it has red interior, so that's why this is one of my dream cars.
But luckily you work for PQ, so PQ will get it handled.
Honestly, yeah. Like I said, shout out to Marlon helping me out. What do you want to say, Marlon?
Perfect outcome or what?
Hey,
This is fire, bro.
I've been telling y'all guys, PQ for the win, baby.
Did we pull through or no?
Hell yeah, that's just a whole different level car, bro.
Brand new grill. This is painted.
4Gs on.
With the 4Gs, we did pearl white on the calipers. Pearl white calipers. They look amazing on front. They look amazing here.
It's a whole new different car,
Whole
bro.
new different car. Remember this was spray canned on by a
that's
previous shop?
Yeah, that shit was ugly.
That shit was bad. Now it's done the right way.
Fell in love with the
Brand new
brand.
badges.
Oh, what made you go with this color?
It was a unique color. I don't think like everybody has this color. You know, I haven't seen it in the streets. And for an S-Class,
This just stands out.
stands out with the Forjados on. You know, like
4Gs, matte black face, perfect, huh? And a gloss rim.
My boy told me about this color. He's like, you gotta be 1 out of 1, you know? I was like, fuck it.
You gotta stand out, bro. Honestly, when you have like a G-Wagon or S-Class, you gotta be different. Because you'll drive down the street and you'll see same one as yours and be like, what the? You wanna be different, bro. And this is different. OEM Mercedes color.
Oof. Damn, I told you guys, kill it on the calipers. They went and did. Look, that's crazy.
OEM pearl white on the calipers.
They went and killed it with the color. I was like, you guys pick, because I don't know what color we should match.
Yeah, and then it's cool that we didn't do the F, the color of the car.
Yeah,
it would have been too much.
It would have been too much.
Like
yeah. Like that, you know, send us out, you know.
You just got 4Gs on it, or you've had them?
No, I slapped it on. They were like, you gotta slap 4Gs on. I'm like, there you go.
You doing it like that?
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro.
That's a homie's X6 over there.
Ooh.
Had it wrapped for like a month only.
Yeah, he was the first car ever in this facility.
Really?
Because we wrapped it pearl white.
Yeah. And then she sang for more sauce, you know.
You drop it off?
Yeah.
Wrap it?
Yeah.
Red?
Yeah.
Went with the same red that Brittany and Garrick have, no?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with that red. I like that red, like in the candy.
Oh, that one's sexy for that one?
Well, on the triple chromes.
Damn.
With red interior.
Red interior, triple chromes.
Telling him the calipers, you guys killed it with the color that you guys picked, you know, like,
Yeah.
this is different.
The two-tone on the wheels, bro, like, I think it looks perfect. Satin face, gloss black rim.
With that, like that is perfect, bro.
Came out clean, huh?
Came out stupid clean.
Yeah, we brought it back to life. It was looking pretty tough.
Yeah, it was looking pretty tough with all those, you know.
now it looks good. It looks solid.
What color is this? Do you know by any chance?
It's a pearlescent color by Nozzle Tech.
I'm telling you, I wasn't ready to sell this, you know. I was like, yeah, I don't like this car. Keep it up? Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah.
I brought the X6.
Oh, okay, you gonna drop that one off too?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop it off.
That's what the homie he be doing. He be rotating his cars. He picks one up, he drops off his other one to get more work done all the time. I'm going crazy with the whips.
It's PQ for the win. I've been telling you guys. No other shop do it like that, brother.
Appreciate you, my boy.
So the S-Pass came together super nice. Now is the final touches. PQ Performance decal. This comes with every car that gets worked on here. So
You can't get no PQ performance sticker if you don't bring it a PQ.
exactly.
You gotta check this out. Come over here, because of the bumper. The bumper went like this.
Yeah.
It went like that, so it's covering all the 8 millimeters. Like I need someone to yank it, and then I can get the 8 millimeters. Oh, you gotta yank it from the bottom.
From the bottom?
Because the bumper went like this. Hold up, no, not like that. If you were to get another car, which one would you get?
That's a hard question because I really like this car so much. But probably a G87 M2.
Dude.
Shit. That's a hard hit, bro. Oh, damn, it moved the radiator too.
Yeah, bro, it's a fucking truck, you know? Hey, I believe when you said he was on crack, he's not gonna be driving normal like that. If he was driving for like 10 miles per hour, this would have never happened. You got lucky you probably didn't crash your radiator. Your condenser's done, for sure. There. Alright, we got the first half done, we gotta move on the other side now.
Oh, look at this shit. It worked. Oh, that's bad. What? It hit this?
It's just your radiator, your condenser. Replace it.
It's actually not even that bad.
I know it's not. It's just they bent the fucking.
Oh, you're so lucky the headlights didn't break down.
Wait, did you pop your radiator? Or condenser?
It
Yeah,
bent,
it moved it.
but it didn't make a hole though.
It don't look that bad.
I say we just heat it up and put it back out.
Oh, low-key, you can have his car running in like 2 days. Order a bumper gauge.
Yeah, it didn't even damage it.
Wrap it.
Temp sensor.
Another day, install it.
Hey, low key, the bumper looks good.
You don't think it's that bad?
Nah,
That shit looks like this.
it'd be bad if that shit went into the motor. And nothing happens to us.
Really?
So how much are the headlights typically?
Usually over at the bad.
Yeah.
Easy. Yeah, each.
There goes my bumper. The guys are saying it's not that bad, but I think it's pretty bad. Hopefully nothing shifted. The X-brakes, this. See how it's warped in?
Yeah.
The condenser, I think. The radiator should be good because there's like a mini gap. Oil cooler is good.
Hey, you got lucky your radiator's not broken, bro. If not, your car would be in the house for the rest of the week.
You don't think my frame goes?
You might need an alignment just because like the subframe might feel like the hit, but other than that, you don't even need this, bro.
I don't want to crash again and then my whole motor goes.
Yeah, your condenser's done for sure. You can still drive it though. I think this defended protector. Yeah, this protected the condenser because the condenser's not even leaking either. You know, you should try it out. Go try to see if your AC's on, your AC works.
Yeah, it works.
Cold and heat and all that. Yeah, you see? You got lucky, bro. Not that bad, you know?
That concludes the inspection of my Dream F80 getting crashed by a crackhead. We have our twin turbo Performante in for paint protection film.
Look at him, he's scared. New car?
New car. Striker Lambo. We have this 2020 Camry here. As you guys saw in a previous video, quarter panel was pushed in. This one was completely crushed. And also the trunk was crushed in, the bumper. So we changed the left quarter panel, these tail lamps, trunk, bumper. We repaired that one. So it's looking nice and clean now.
Dude, this is so insane because the whole back of this car was messed up. And look at it. It looks brand new.
Yeah, I sent a picture to the customer. She's happy with it.
What brings you to PQ Performance?
Heard a lot of good things about them. I've got beat by some of their fast cars on the highway and everything, and I wanted to check them out.
And what car do you have right now?
GT63 AMG 4-door. Doing a few minor upgrades, turbos, fuel pumps, downpipe tune. I'm trying to get 1200 crank. So
1200?
Yeah, 1200 crank. That's what I know. That's what the engine can take before we start forging the internals. So that's the goal.
Previously, you brought it to collision and we fixed all of it. So what do you think about
second day having it on the road? Someone hit me when I was making a turn. So I'm going on 3 months of owning the car with only 2 days of driving it. So I'm hoping I get it back soon, but it's gonna be a lot faster than when I had it last. So I'm hyped. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? We have this beautiful 335. Customer brought in for a full wrap. She's aware that the fenders won't be paint matched. She wanted to save some money. We're gonna do a full wrap on this. We're sending it to a performance shop right now. I think it's gonna go with satin black. We replaced the door. We got new fenders. We hooked her up with the hood. Then we're gonna wrap the whole car.
Right here we have a Lamborghini Performante. Came in for front end PPF. As you can see, we already did one fender, and we are doing it with pure PPF, crystal clear. So with the front end PPF, you get the hood, both fenders, bumpers, headlights, mirrors.
What do you prefer, wrap or PPF? Well, in terms of installing?
I'll say PPF. PPF is better just because it's wet, so if there's any little dust under there, trash, it's easy to get out. You just wet it under there, wipe it off. You can lift it, drop it again. With wrap, you lift it, piece of dust gets in there, and you're kind of cooked. It's like you gotta start all over again, and you waste 5 feet, whatever it is that you waste. So I prefer PPF. Color PPF, even better, because it looks like paint. You get the protection, so you get best of both worlds. You guys see here, it's not water, it's alcohol. You want to pre-prep it by using alcohol to get off any oil, grease, whatever's on there. You use this to just finish it off. You guys missed a step. I already play barred the whole front end already. Before you start, you gotta play bar it, dry it up, fill it, make sure there's no more like dirt on there, and then just go over with alcohol. I use 70%, and then that's it. And then in here, our solution, we have shampoo, Johnson & Johnson, and water. That's all you have to use.
This BMW 330i, it pretty much came in. It had a whole front damage. As you guys can see, the hood is completely destroyed. The fender is gone. The car was completely destroyed. As you guys can see, the fender was completely ripped off. The front bumper was completely damaged. It's missing the fender is because it was completely destroyed. So this car got hit by like a truck or something, and it dragged the car, so causing extended damage to the hood, fender. As you guys can see, the door's completely destroyed as well. We got some damage on the aperture panel right here. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this as well. You guys can see the little brackets are completely missing. That's actually part of the aperture panel as well. So we're gonna have to replace, I'm guessing, I mean, we're gonna call to replace the entire aperture panel. This little brackets come with the part. It missing parts and having damaged parts like this, like a tear, calls for a complete replacement of the part. We cannot bring it back to pre-existing condition. Therefore, we are going to tell the insurance repair is a no-go. We need replacement on this part. Same thing with the fender, same thing for the hood.